Okay, this is how we hook up a Swagman ladder bicycle rack. You put the bicycles on. Okay, what we do is, of course, we're hanging on this ladder. Okay, and then I usually attach a couple of bungee cords just to make it a little more secure. But the weight of the bicycles will hold it on there. And then you hang your bicycles upside down. Okay, and you can see right here, outside this little reflector, there's the little rubbers that you pull tight. And this is for the front bicycle, and this is for the back bicycle. And I catch it in the frame. Okay. Another thing, you want to secure it so nobody don't steal it. Now, a lot of times I've seen bicycles going down the road behind a camper and the tire just sitting there spinning. Just sitting there spinning the whole time. I don't think it really hurts anything, but I didn't want my tire spinning. So what I did, I bought one of these cables. Okay, I got a real heavy duty lock right here. Big master lock. Okay, and I bought a couple of heavy duty. Oh, this one heavy duty cable. It's a long cable. And what I did, I just weaved it in and out. See how it goes around the ladder right there? Okay. It goes through the frame. And it does the same thing at the top. It's the same cable. I don't know if you can see. But it's weaved through the frames. See how it goes through where the wheels are? Okay. It's wrapped around the ladder. Okay, and also around the bike rack. Okay, so the bike rack is secure where the bike rack is not gonna, you can't just, if you get ready to steal it, you can't just pick the whole bike rack up and steal it like that. Okay. I don't know if you can see it. Motorcycle going by, bust his muffler. Oh, popped his muffler. Okay. It's an old Harley. But anyway, that's, I went through the wheels, as you can see. So I went through both wheels, and you just weave it in and out best you can. Remember, you want to go through the frame, okay, on both bicycles, through the wheels, top and bottom, and through your bike rack. Where, like I said before, somebody can just take the bike rack. All right, I'll pick up the whole thing. And that's pretty much how we did it. Now, some of the concerns were the taillight. Okay, now that's the best way I could put it. Okay, that's the best place I could put it where you could still see the taillight. I didn't want to go any higher, and then the wheels would be in the way. And I didn't want to go any lower. I'm pretty much as low as I want to be. Okay. I've never had a problem. The cops have never stopped me for it. And you can see that light. That's a big light. Okay. That's pretty much how we do it. Another thing I might add, you might want to bring a bicycle pump to pump up your tires. Not a bad idea. Use a bicycle pump. I have an air tank that holds 125 pounds of air. Okay. That I bring. Okay. Make it a lot easier. Like I said, you can bring a bicycle pump. Let me show you my air tank. I always take this with me when I go on a trip. I don't know if this is locked, but it will be. Okay. Just a regular air tank. Okay. And you got a hose where you can put air in your tires, and you can put on tires in the camper too. And this thing holds 125 pounds of air. So that's a good bit of air. Yeah, that's about how we do it with the bicycles. And I also have a bicycle pump, which it's in my, I'm not going to show you that, but just a regular bicycle pump. It's in with my tools. So anyway, that's how we do it here. How we put our bicycles in the back of our camper. Let me see if I can show you what the bicycle rack looks like. Just a bicycle rack. If you will picture, it hooks. It's got hooks. It hooks over the ladder. Okay, where we at? Okay, hooks. See the hooks? They just go over the ladder, and it kind of wraps all the way around. So just lifting it up, you can see that. Let me see if I can get in there. Just lifting it up is not going to take it off. I'll try from the other side. Anyway, here's your rack. It comes down. Okay, it makes a 90-degree turn here. Okay, then you have two places to put your bicycles. One there and one there. Okay. Let's see if I can move this thing around. Okay, there you can see the hook. See right here? You can see how it comes out, hooks around, and goes all the way here. So it's pretty hard for that rack to come off of there. Okay. Just figured I'd show you that. So that's what the rack looks like. Okay. Let's see what else. I know. I got an air tank. I showed that. And I got a bicycle pump. I actually have an antique bicycle pump. And let me show you my antique bicycle pump. Let's see, where are we? Yeah. Okay, I don't have anything locked right now. I usually go down the road with everything locked. This compartment we have, these are covers for the windows, like for the summertime. We're camping in the summertime. We cut them, one for each window, and they just go up against the window, and it helps a lot with the sun. Anyway, I keep a extra spare jack in here, a breaker bar. I have a 4-way lug wrench on the other side of the camera, a big lug wrench. And I also have an electric impact for the tires. And I have a service. I'll call somebody out, but if I pay for the service. But if I get in a bond and I need to mess with them, well, I have it. Okay, here's the pump. That is an antique. You can hear shooting. That is an antique bicycle pump. You can do it without an antique bicycle pump, but that's just what I have. So that's pretty much how we do it. Make sure I close all this. Okay. That's pretty much it on the bicycle rack. It's a Swagman. S-W-A-G-M-A-N. It's a Swagman rack. That is. Okay. How we do it here? Bring our bicycles with us. We go camping.